In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find your Namecheap CPanel last login IP address in just a few simple steps. This is a useful quick check if you want to review recent access, troubleshoot a login issue, or confirm where your CPanel was last opened from. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Namecheap account using your normal email and password. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for the hosting list option. This is where Namecheap keeps all of your active hosting services organized in one place. Click on Hosting List to continue. Next, find the hosting plan connected to the CPanel account you want to check. After you locate it, click on Go to CPanel. This will open the CPanel dashboard for that specific hosting account. Give it a moment to load, and once it opens, you'll be on the main CPanel interface. Now, look at the right side of the CPanel dashboard. You should see a section called General Information. This area contains important details about your hosting account, including things like your main domain, server information, and account access details. Inside the General Information section, look for the field labeled Last Login IP Address. This is the exact spot where CPanel shows the IP address of the most recent login. Once you find it, simply check the IP address displayed next to it. That is the last login IP address for your CPanel account. If you want to verify suspicious activity or just keep track of your access history, this is the information you need. And that's it. You've now learned how to find the Namecheap CPanel last login IP address quickly and easily. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.